Today, I'll show you how to install the official Python extension inside Cursor.Ai so you can start writing and running Python code more efficiently. We'll go step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for, even if you're brand new to Cursor or extensions in general. First, make sure you have Cursor.Ai open on your computer. You should see the main interface with your files or a welcome screen in the center and a sidebar on the left. That sidebar is where we'll be working to get the Python extension set up. On the left-hand side, look for the icon that represents extensions. Depending on your version of Cursor, this might be labeled as the extensions icon, or it could appear as an apps icon. It's usually a small square-shaped icon or a symbol that suggests plugins or add-ons. Hover your mouse over the different icons in the sidebar. If you're not sure which one it is, the tooltip should say extensions or apps. Once you've found it, click on that icon to open the extensions panel. When the extensions panel opens, you'll see a marketplace or list of available extensions and tools that you can install into Cursor. At the top of this panel, there should be a search bar that lets you quickly find specific extensions. Click inside that search bar to activate it. Now type the word Python into the marketplace search bar. As you type, Cursor will filter the results and show you extensions that match what you entered. Give it a moment to load the results, especially if it's the first time you're opening the marketplace or if your internet connection is a bit slow. In the search results, look for the official Python extension that is published by Microsoft. This is important because there may be multiple Python-related extensions available, but you want the one that is clearly marked as the official Python extension from Microsoft. Usually you'll see the name Python along with the publisher listed as Microsoft, and it may be at or near the top of the results. Once you've located that official Python extension, click on it to open its details page. Here you can confirm you have the right one by checking the name and publisher again. The details page may also show a brief description, some features, and user ratings. When you're sure it's the correct extension, look for the install button and click install. After you click install, Cursor will begin downloading and adding the Python extension to your environment. During this process, a prompt may appear asking you to confirm that you trust the publisher. Because this is the official extension from Microsoft, it's safe to proceed. In that prompt, click Trust and Install to continue. The installation may take a few moments. When it finishes, the Python extension will be enabled in Cursor, and you'll be able to take advantage of features such as syntax highlighting, IntelliSense, and improved editing support for Python files. That's all you need to do. To recap quickly, open Cursor.Ai, click on the extensions or apps icon in the sidebar, search for Python, find the official Python extension published by Microsoft, click install, and if you see a trust prompt, choose Trust and Install. Once that's done, you're ready to start working with Python inside Cursor.